5,374 times 8. We're going to make sure that our box has 4 spots for our four place values. Then we're going to put our 8 on the side and do the expanded form of 5,374, which is 5,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 4. We know area is length times width, so I'm going to bring down my numbers. And I'm going to take my 8 all the way over into every single box. And then we know we're going to multiply. So 8 times 5 is 40. Then I need to add 3 more zeros onto there because there's 3 zeros right here, giving me 40,000. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 2 more zeros. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 1 more zero. 8 times 4 is 32. Then let's add these numbers together. Making sure we line up our place values, we write neatly. That gives us a total of 42,992.